Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Monday morning. We're going to be making turkey burgers here, and I'll show you the ingredients. Lean turkey patties there, some hamburger seasoning. We're going to butter up a little foil tray so we don't get any stickiness. Put some spices down onto the butter, then put your turkey burgers on and put them in the toaster oven on toast so you get both sides. Okay, season the top. There's your settings for the toaster oven. Put some foil back on the turkey burgers you didn't use, back in the fridge right away. Now here's your condiments. We're going to use some diced tomatoes also. We'll cook those. There's your rolls. We'll have 2 rolls. We're not going to toast them because they're kind of small, but you can toast them, but they'd shrink on you. Turkey burgers in the toaster oven. Then you can take them out, flip them over, put some diced tomatoes into the juice there, and then put it on broil, not toast. Broil it for another few minutes. Meanwhile, you're getting your rolls ready with your condiments. Don't overwhelm the meat. Now you'll see some juice there. You want to soak up that juice and then put the turkey burgers back in there with the onion, with the tomatoes on top for a couple more minutes. Don't overcook. Okay, that's ready to go right there. Now you want to get your turkey burgers off there. Put a paper towel on there. You can easily clean it up. And that's your turkey burgers ready to go. Follow me on TikTok and YouTube, and enjoy the rest of your morning.